Don LaFontaine was the voice of a god and the mind behind a story hook that dominated movie trailers for decades.
In a world where both of our cars were totally underwater.
But what makes this such a good story hook? Well, 5 reasons. 1, it establishes context immediately, grounding the audience in a specific time, place, and scenario. Number 2, it sparks curiosity. The phrase teases something unique or extraordinary is about to happen. Number 3, it creates tension. By describing an unfamiliar or challenging world, it hints at obstacles and conflict. Number 4, it positions the audience as an observer, breaking the wall between them and the story. Number 5, it leverages familiarity. Its overuse feels iconic, grabbing your attention immediately, much like how Once Upon a Time works for fairy tales, which brings me to the 4th law of storytelling. Every story needs hooks. That's right, hooks. The genius of a Don LaFontaine movie trailer was it didn't stop within a world. It continued with short sentences that gave context to the movie and drove interest, which sold tickets. Think of your audience's attention as a waveform. Your initial hook spikes the attention, but as you proceed to tell the story, it starts to slip. This is when it's time for another hook to re-engage that attention. How does this work in real life? Let's look at the script for this video. Hook 1 starts with Don LaFontaine as the voice of a god and the mind behind a story hook that dominated movie trailers for decades. This makes you ask, what story hook does he have in movie trailers? Hook 2, but what makes this such a good hook? Well, for 5 reasons. Now you're interested in knowing what the 5 reasons are. Hook 3, every story needs hooks. Wait, hooks? I thought there only needed to be one hook. And hook 4, how does this work in real life? Let's look at the script of this video. These hooks are carefully placed in conjunction with the story I'm telling to spike your attention at certain times and hopefully keep you engaged until the end. Anyway,